Namaskar everyone. My name is Lakan Khandelwal of class 7th and today I will be presenting my PPT of chapter 11 on the topic balloon activity. So here is a photo of mine activity. So now let us talk about the mechanism of respiration. So first let us talk about inhalation. When we breathe in air, the diaphragm goes down, increasing the space in the chest cavity. The air from the atmosphere enters in the lungs and expands. Now let us talk about exhalation. When we breathe out, the diaphragm goes up, decreasing the space in the chest cavity. The lungs contracts. The air is expelled or forced out of the lungs into the atmosphere. Now let us talk about the materials required for the balloon activity. First, a clear plastic bottle that will act as the chest cavity. Second, two balloons that will act as lungs. And one giant balloon that will act as diaphragm. Third, tape that will stick the straw with the cap of the bottle. Fourth, two straws that will act as windpipe. And the accessory items like the scissors or a cutter. Now let us talk about the steps of balloon activity. Cut the bottom of your bottle by using scissors or a cutter, and I want to advise that use these items in the presence of an adult only. Cut the upper part of the first straw and paste it with the second one using tape to form a Y-shaped figure. Then stick the two small balloons that are the lungs to the Y-shaped straw and pass it through the hole made in the cap of the bottle. Stick it firmly with the cap using the tape. Now take the giant balloon, stretch it and cover the bottom sphere. And I want to say that here tape is not necessary. You have made your lung model. Now you are ready to observe that. First, gently pull down the giant balloon diaphragm. The two balloons lungs will get inflated. Now second, now push up the giant balloon or the diaphragm. The two balloons or the lungs will get deflated. Hurrah! You have done. Now let's see a video of what I have done in my experiment. Namaskar everyone. My name is Lagan Khandelwal of class 7th and today I will be showing my experiment on the topic lung model. So here is a lung model. So now let's start. When we pull down the diaphragm, the two lungs or the balloons inflate. And when we push up the diaphragm, the two balloons or the lungs deflate. Thank you. Hope you like my presentation. Have a nice day.